The Nifty opened on a positive note today and thereafter traded with a positive bias throughout the day, ending the day with a 35-point gain in today's trading session. The market breadth was also positive with 834 advances to 670 declines. From the Nifty 50 pack, ICICI Bank, State Bank of India, HDFC Limited, Sun Pharma, TCS, Cipla were some of the big gainers in trade today, while Reliance, Bharti, Lupin and Infosys dragged the market today and closed with minor losses in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty traded in the range of yesterday's trading session, and in terms of bar pattern, it has formed an inside bar pattern. The last trading sessions range, that is on the high, on the upside 8065 and on the downside 7985 become crucial levels to watch out for in tomorrow's trading session or the coming trading sessions. In terms of bar pattern, as I said, it has formed an inside bar pattern. Now, if the Nifty breaches 8065 on the upside, then the positive momentum shall continue on the upside. However, on the downside, if 7985 is breached, then we can see some correction in Nifty. A characteristic of this pattern is that whichever side the range or the range is broken, the momentum or the trend on the downside or on the upside shall be decided once this range is broken on either side. 7985 on the downside and 8065 on the upside are crucial levels to watch out for. Below 7985, we can expect levels of 7920. 7920 is the 20 and 40 daily moving averages, so that becomes the next crucial support on the downside. On the upside, if 8065, that is the high of yesterday's trading session, is taken out, then we can see Nifty surpassing or rising swiftly in the upward direction, and it can retest the previous swing high of 8180 on the upside. So these are the two crucial levels to watch out for in tomorrow's trading session. Now moving on to the hourly charts, we can observe that after opening on a positive note, it consolidated around the 20-hour moving average for a couple of hours, and once that support was not being breached on the upside, the Nifty carried on with the positive momentum and closed with gains in today's trading session. The hourly momentum indicator is not having a positive crossover as of now. However, we feel that the positive price action is suggesting that the momentum on the upside is pretty strong. So we maintain a positive bias on Nifty, and we expect, as I said earlier, the levels of 7985 and 8065 are crucial for tomorrow's trading session. On the Bank Nifty has closed with gains today. Today we saw likes of ICICI Bank, State Bank of India gaining pretty smartly in trade today, and as a result of that, the Bank Nifty has also closed with gains today. The positive momentum on Bank Nifty shall continue in the coming trading sessions. We expect the positive momentum to continue. Crucial levels on the upside are placed at 16,820 and 16,950. On the downside, 16,610 and 16,450 are crucial supports to watch out for. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty remain positive. Crucial levels to watch out for in Nifty are 8065 on the upside and 7985 on the downside, which is a crucial support. That's all for the day. Thank you.